Yay, welcome back once again. This is Uyegas, your host for the design, and today we'll be looking at Lightroom. So I'm going to be doing a quick introduction on what Lightroom is and what it entails. Now, just like the name Lightroom, I like to call it I like that name because those days when we used to use film strip for photography, where we have to use the negatives, we do it in a Lightroom. And basically this is what the application is for you. So it gives you total control over your photos. Today I'll be working with JPG photos, though it's better to work with raw files. If you have a professional camera, you can easily import the raw files. It should be in normally CR2 version, and the CR2 file format, that is mostly what I've encountered, or DNG format for mobile devices. So you can import those formats too, but as well you can also import your JPEG pictures. So I'm going to introduce the interface a bit. You might not see this obviously because it will be telling you to import your pictures. So this is because this is what we are working with today. So I loaded them up. So I will show you quickly how to do that. But before we do that, let's quickly go ahead and go through the interface and understand what this Lightroom is all about. Now, if you open Lightroom, you will notice that there is just a very, very easy but sometimes frightening interface, but it is quite interesting and very easy to use. So now you have your navigator. Your navigator is it shows you a preview of your pictures. So it's just basically you can use it to control, fit, fill, 1:1, 2:1, and the others. Then you have your catalog. It shows you all the photographs you've worked with, all your synced photographs. You have synchronized photograph from the cloud. Quick collections. There are pictures you can add to quick collection by just clicking this symbol. It will add it to your quick collection. Yes, you can see it add photo to quick collections. Previous import. So this was the last import I just did, 7 photos. Now you can also set folders. Now these are folders I've been working with. You have EEE for job I did, and then Lemi for obviously what we are going to be editing for this photo editing series. Then you have collections. Like I said, you can create smart collections, and then you can work with other things. Then you have publish services. If you are going to publish your pictures and your work, you can always do that from there. So you have the import, which is very important. We're going to be coming to this in a bit. You need to import your photos and export. When you are done editing, you can actually export your photos. So now this is grid view that I currently have here. This grid view, I like working with it, very easy. Then you have I think this is the loop view. Yes, loop view. You have 2-in-1. Then you have other options to stack your pictures easily. Then you have face mode that can automatically locate people's faces, people view. So it will definitely come in handy if you are working with a whole lot of pictures and you need to identify each person. It's a very, very lovely tool for that. So you can sort by capture time, and this is a penta for applying settings across. Thumbnails you can drag to make it bigger or smaller, and then you have your histogram. You click a picture, it shows you the histogram of that picture. That's what you have there. Quick develop, keywording, and the others. So you can synchronize your metadata and your settings. So this is basically just introduction to your library. All these are in the library settings. So now we can move over to the develop menu, and this is where the real work happens. So I have my presets here that I work with. You might not see everything. I'm thinking you might just see a few, but these are presets that I work with over time for my pictures, and they're actually very, very nice. We'll come into that very soon. Then you can edit the pictures here. There is a whole lot of tools that we're going to explore today, so just get ready for that. Then we have map. This is to add your pictures to the map where your pictures belong to in the world. I'm currently offline. I turned off my data because of notifications, so it would have come up and it will be very, very useful. Book, and this is very nice for those of you that want to make a photo book. It's a complete software that can do all that. You can make it see automatically created this for me. I've not even done anything yet, and there's a lot of settings you can actually play with here to create your book. If you want it 5-in-1 page, 2-in-1 page, you want to create a photo book, basically maybe you for a wedding photography shoot, you can do all that right here in Lightroom. Then you can also do a slideshow. I like this effect too. You want to have a slideshow of your pictures and get to show your client that. You can add background music. There's a whole lot you can do, and I think we'll keep that for a future episode. Then you have print, if you are printing it and you want to export in a particular paper size for print or upload to a printing service, it is very, very easy to work with this. And then web, which is also very nice, is to create a web photo gallery. Now, when you export this, it will come out in HTML5 code that you can easily attach to your website, and it will have your picture gallery live there on your website. So it is also a very, very cool feature of Lightroom. So Lightroom obviously is a very, very robust, beautiful, and well arranged package. It's something that you should not miss out as even as a graphics designer or a photographer. So I encourage you to take a look at it and also use it. So check out the next video and watch how I edit all these 7 photos in one video. See you next time.